Hi gals and guys, this video is going to be about removing the stitch length regulator, and then the next one after this one will be about replace the stitch length regulator. And here is the flange bushing, and it's on there really tight, so it's good as good is. No need to disturb it. I can't get it off anyway. So here's the hand wheel, and I want to point out that Singer in the documentation doesn't call it the balance wheel. They call it the hand wheel. Anyway, here's the hand wheel. I've got that off, and it's over there. Also the washer and that, and the belt, and the bobbin winder. So the beauty of this now, with the hand wheel and all that out of the way, it opens up this area, and I can work on removing the stitch length adjustment lever and its gear, its device inside, because in order to do that, the hand wheel has to be removed to get access to that screw right there, which we're going to look at and talk about a little later. There's a better look at that screw right there. We're going to have a whole lot of fun learning about this stitch length regulator removal. And hopefully the replacement too. So that's where this is going. Thanks for being here, folks. I'm starting to remove the stitch lever apparatus here. The plastic Singer faceplate is still on, but I have undone all the screws. The only thing I have left to do is to undo this screw and furl this off and remove it. I should have done that first before I removed these other screws. So that's what I'm going to do now. Then I'm just unscrewing that screw. And there is a washer on there as well. Undo that and then pull it right out. And then the faceplate is already undone, but I would like to point out to you that on the faceplate, this screw right here, the screw does not thread into the body, it threads into that clip. That clip goes in behind there, so have an eye when you remove that. So now we've got that. Next, I'm going to turn the machine. I've got to remove the big screw at the end. Now I have to remove the large screw that was indicated before, right in there. There, I'm in there now. I'll get my head out of the way. And this lever is right down. There, it's come loose. This is really exciting. I've never done this before. It looks like there's a washer, or maybe that's just the shape of the screw. Seems to have stopped threading out. How about using those pliers? Okay, that is a washer. Can you see that there, my friends? So we'll put that in with the stuff. Let me turn this a little bit, because I think if I pull on that, it should come out. What I have to do, actually I can get it out on the inside here, I do believe. Indeed. That's not, but there it is. But that's not quite correct. I should have removed this screw and this screw to take this off, and then that would have allowed this to come out off the front. So I'm going to do that right now. And you know, when I'm doing stuff for the first time, whoopsie daisy, let's get a thinner blade in here. It's a little bit of trial and error, I guess. I'll make sure when when I replace it, I do it in the correct order. So there's that screw. And I'm just going to end this video here with this removed because of my data upload issues. Now, I was undoing that, and there was a clip at the back that I didn't realize, and it just fell. I just heard it fall. So there, I can get that out, but now I have to go looking for the part I just lost. And here they are. See that? There. And same kind of thing, one of those backing, spring locking type things. There's we call that a nut or whatever. Anyway, so there, the stitch length regulator. Mission accomplished. Got the stitch length regulator off. And I'm going to end this movie here. And the next video, start putting it back together. I'm going to read the instructions first, and we'll do it in order correctly. Hope this is good for you. It was good for me. I hope that you learned something about the stitch length regulator. I sure did. Come on back real soon. Hit the notification bell. Please do subscribe. I need all the help I can get. Thanks, you guys. Keep safe. Have fun. See you soon.